Right, this here is Easy Cook Basmati or wild rice. If you look on the reverse here, it tells you what to do and how much to give for each person. Under there it says hob, where you can serve. I'm only joking around a bit. So, the instructions there. Basically, put 75 grams in a pan, bring it boiling water, bring it to boil, stir, cover, reduce heat for 18 to 20 minutes. Sieve in rinse with oils before serving. There you go. And then serve. So that's what's in that pan. So we'll have a look at that in a bit. But not now, because it's cooking. And it needs its lid on.